Okay, I found my engine knock. Turns out it's a wrist pin. And before I continue doing anything else to this motor, I just want to confirm that front to back movement on these rod caps is normal. I watched a couple videos and they said that is normal. I'm not getting any up and down movement anywhere on anything, just some front to back. But on this one right here, I guess if I get it better, this is number 3. If I grab that up the top, and that's traveling right back to that rear of that clutch area. Obviously it sounds traveling. So anyway, there's my noise wrist pin. So what's my options from here?